everyone, welcome back to my channel, Beauty by DN. I'm so excited to share with you guys today a heatless curl hack, which I have actually never tried before. Today's gonna be my first day. I've seen this trending so much online. I really wanted to see if this will work out with my hair. If you wanna see if this hair hack really works, please keep watching. Okay guys, for the purposes of this video, I'm starting off by quickly drying my hair with my blow dryer. This is optional. For absolutely no heat, you can definitely air dry your hair. However, if you have super curly hair, I recommend blow drying your hair straight for optimal results. For this hair hack, all you need is the waist tie from your robe, 2 hair ties, a tail comb, and 1 clip. Start off by parting your hair with your tail comb from the front of your head straight down to the back. Then, split the hair into 2 sections. Place the robe onto the top of your head, however, make sure that it is even. Take the clip and secure the robe onto your hair. Then, tie one section of the hair so that it is out of your way. So the first thing I'm going to do is take about a 1 to 2 inch section from my hairline and wrap it around the robe once. Then I'm going in again and grabbing another 1 to 2 inch section, this time connecting it to the previous section, again wrapping it around the robe. To ensure that the curls do not get loose, make sure to have a firm grip while twisting the hair around the robe. Once you're at the midway point and the hairline has been done, start taking hair from behind your ear. Again, 1 to 2 inch sections, wrapping it away from the face and around the robe. Continue this method all the way down. Once you get to the bottom strands, make sure that the ends are tightly wrapped around the robe. This will prevent fishtails and a better finish. Now we're going to wrap the hair into a bun and secure it with the hair tie. Before starting the next side, don't forget to remove the clip. Also, just a quick tip. Move the robe further back. This will allow all your hair to have fairly the same curl pattern. Continue this method all the way down the side of the head, wrapping the hair away from the face around the robe. Okay guys, I'm all done wrapping all my hair into the string of my robe. That literally took 5 minutes. It was so easy and so fast. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep. I usually sleep on the sides of my head. However, I'm gonna have to sleep on my back today, which is probably better for me anyways. I will see you guys tomorrow morning and hopefully I will have heatless curls. Good afternoon, it's the next day and I'm on quarantine time, so I slept in. Let me tell you, it was so difficult to sleep last night. I literally had to stay in like one position, which was on my back. And my hair didn't get as frizzy or crazy as I thought it would be. And that's because I couldn't move my head. So I'm just gonna get right on into it and take these babies out. I'm just gonna take out that hair tie. So you want to gently take out the hair because you don't want it to get frizzy. My hair tends to get frizzy a lot. I'm so excited. Look at these curls. God, look at that. It's so bouncy. This hack is great for those of you who love to wear your hair curly but have damaged, over-processed, or dry hair. I'm now going to unravel the other side. I might have to throw out all my curling irons. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is super curly. So what I'm gonna do now is separate these curls and not have it so clumped together. But before doing so, I'm going to use a serum. I'll be using the Marrakesh Oil Hairstyling Serum. I'm just gonna use a little bit on my fingers. And what the serum's doing is not only is it helping me to separate them, it's eliminating a lot of frizz. Do you see how much more volume you get once you go in and break up the curls? So I see a few pieces of hair that's not as curly as a few others. So what I'm gonna do is go in with a small flat iron and just curl the ends of a few pieces, not all, like that. I'm just keeping it real with you guys. If you find that there's a few pieces that aren't as curly as others, go in with your curling iron and quickly curl a few pieces. So I've done this one here, going to curl that. Maybe I'll curl this one here. This robe hair hack definitely works. I absolutely love the results I got from this, and I'm probably gonna do this all the time now. I highly recommend that you guys all try this hack out. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Bye.